Hello, we're here at Westfield State University, and every month they have a thing called pet therapy where a bunch of dogs come and students get to pet the dogs, and it's pretty great. And here I have
Alessa.
and I'm going to ask her a few questions about this. So how does it affect your day when the dogs come to the university?
Well, I really like whenever the dogs come. I look forward to it like all week, and it's really nice to kind of like relax and de-stress. And the dogs seem to always know when you're having a bad day. They just come and sit in your lap. So.
Do you have a favorite dog here?
Ginger, but she's not here today.
I'm here at Pet Therapy with Pat. So, who do we have here with us today?
Okay, we have Sid, which is this tricolored Sheltie here, and Tracy, Airy, and Ice. These are all Shetland sheepdogs, or otherwise referred to as miniature collies.
So, how did you get started with pet therapy?
I go to a training class with Leslie Perinium, and the counseling center here had contacted her about bringing some dogs over during finals weeks for stress release for the students. And we went from there of coming only during finals to coming once a month to now we come twice a month.
That's awesome. How do you feel it affects the students' days with the dogs coming?
I think the students really enjoy it. A lot of them live here on campus, so they miss their pets at home. And because we come from a training class, there's a variety of different dogs. We have Labradors, the Shelties, a Great Dane, an English Bulldog, some mixed dogs and all that come to this. So generally the students could probably find something that might resemble what they've left behind at home, and they get a chance to sit down and just pet them and play with them for a few minutes while we're here.
I'm here with Joe and Callie. So, what kind of dog is Callie?
Callie's a golden retriever. She's about 3.5 years old. We've had her since she was probably 7 or 8 weeks old. So
Does she do any tricks?
she's very good at giving her paw. You know, she'll give you this paw or that paw. She's good at that. We're working on a number trick for her.
Oh, really?
So you have a biscuit in your hand. You tell her it's math, and you give her an equation like 10 minus 7. And of course, the answer is 3. And then you give her 2 false answers first, and she's not supposed to take the bone until she hears 3.
Oh, really?
yeah,
She's a smart dog.
Yeah, it's not smart. She's done it 100 times, and she doesn't have it down pat yet. So it takes a lot of repetition.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How long have you been attending pet therapy?
This is my 4th time. Yeah, and I think it's very good for Callie. She loves the attention, and from the students seem really nice. They're always very appreciative, and of course most of them have their own pets at home, so that's kind of a thing. And then of course the pictures and pictures and more pictures. So I think it works good both ways.
I'm here with Aubrey today at Pet Therapy. So, how does it affect your day when you see the dogs?
Well, of course, dogs just make you in a happy mood all the time. And it just, I don't know, it just puts you in a better mood throughout the day. And dogs are so cute, and
They
I don't
are
know.
so cute.
Yeah.
Do you have any pets at home that you're missing while you're at school?
Oh, good question. Of course, I have a golden retriever named Sadie. Oh, she's like the love of my life. I love her so much, and she's so cute.
So you must love seeing the golden retrievers that come to
I
Pet
do.
Therapy.
Oh, I love goldens. I love every dog, actually.